today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy cucumber salad that's creamy and tangy and delicious and full of flavor. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for variations. There's only 4 ingredients in this recipe, as you'll see, but there's lots of ideas for variations, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know what you think of this salad. So let me talk you through the ingredients and show you how to make it. So these are the only 4 ingredients you need: a lemon, red onion, sour cream and cucumber. It is that easy. Let me show you how to make it. Start by chopping up your cucumber. I've chopped mine into half moons like this, but you might prefer rounds or cubes, anyhow you like. And we'll pop the cucumber into a large bowl. Then add on your red onion, which I've diced up, but you might prefer to slice it. It is up to you. So we've added the onion to the cucumber, simple as that. And next, for some fresh flavor, I've got lemon. Squeeze over a couple of tablespoons of lemon. You could do it over a sieve if you want to catch any pips. And for my creamy dressing, I've gone for my sour cream. 1/4 cup is added into the salad, and then mix everything together. It is that simple. 4 ingredients, mix them together and just mix until the sour cream and lemon dressing is fully incorporated into the cucumber, just like that. And then you can really serve it straight away or pop it into the fridge for the flavors to develop overnight, and it gets so lovely and full of flavor. The tanginess of the sour cream and lemon just works so well with the cucumbers. And that is it. That's this lovely 4 ingredient easy cucumber salad. Thank you so much for watching the video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this cucumber salad a try, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!